So Jaden, come on now, and the big news is that Jaden, a friend Quiet Perry for Lion. You know that in all fairness, I am going to say a lot of stuff when I go sit well with a lot of persons. But you see, Jaden, in all of this, Jaden is innocent, you know. You know, say Jaden never called Quiet Perry for no lion. You know, say Jaden never called Quiet Perry for nothing at all, but just to mess around as he normally does. You understand me? I don't think that was it. I think the more shock came where Quiet Perry saw Jaden and was wondering, what is this for? Now, a lot of persons are bashing Jaden. I don't have nothing to say good nor bad about Jaden. Number one, I care zero about Jaden. You understand me? Jaden below my level. So I don't have nothing bad to say, good or bad, but I don't have nothing to say about Jaden. But what I'm saying is this. You all have to understand that Jaden advertises himself as a class clown. And once a class clown, he's going to clown with everybody and everything. We are blowing it out of proportion because we put people on a pedestal to say, well then, they are this type and that type and blah blah type and every type. No, I'm not here to talk about discrimination against Quiet Perry or anything else. Whatever Jaden did, he did it out of a comedic form, which it backfired in a negative way. I mean, I have nothing bad to say about Jaden. A Quiet Perry did more shock. Quiet Perry was more shocked. He was more shocked to see Jaden on his live without him sending him a request. Now Jaden is a clown. He's just a clown. And people need to understand this. That Jaden is a clown and stop batty up the boy until you see the cocky come out and batty. Or a go in or a come out and mouth. Stop batty up the boy and everybody can take battyism. Like when you can batty up me and you just either in a deal with me. Stop it. Stop batty up the boy. Stop it. Everyone defend World Dog against the many lions and gifts. Now the guy came up and said, Jaja style, you know me did want a lion. Quiet Perry has been giving away a lion. It's a joke. It's a joke. Now you guys causing a segregation. Oh, una friend batty man forget this. Una blow things out of proportion. Listen, Jaden has done a lot of stuff. He has mimicked everyone, if not everyone, most. Eh? No, that's comedic, but because Quiet Perry Walker give a line, him give World Dog, him give Swiss, him give Ishi and the old lady. Jaden just decide, say, him a come for female lion direct. Quiet Perry one lion there. What is wrong with that? Is it serious or is it not? Be a good youth. For me, he must say I'm a good youth. That simply means that there's no possible way nobody could have come in front of somebody who everybody have as batty people and say, me a good youth, you know, like you sell your old or your old. No, he wasn't doing that. At the end of it, he said that, look, I could have get a lion star. How much are we scam batty, man? How much are we pretend say we love man in order to get $1? What Jaden did in the public, I will know how we do in a private. I not consider that when World Dog did that play, and in order to win the match, Quiet Perry sent him the Lions, and World Dog won the match and come back and congratulate Quiet Perry and dismiss every bad thing we ever say about him as Batman. No, that's acceptance. That is acceptance. That is what you call acceptance. You accept this. Now, if Quiet Perry never gave to you, you would still have Quiet Perry in a box, the box that you had him in before, long before. We blow things out of proportion. Way out of proportion. People need free. It is true, it is good, it is nice, it is going to be a seller. If we just say Jaden a Batman. If we just say Jaden a batty man, it's right. How him cuss Destiny and him and a batty man, but him be Quiet Perry and him a batty man? What is our tongue really? What is our tongue saying?
To set up a new device, go to your Alexa app.
What is our tongue saying? Me never know say Batman come with a look. Because if Batman did come with a look, it gone through the door because enough Batman a baby mother. And enough boy, enough picnic name a call pan Batty body. So me not understand. Let us just, and I'm not defending Jaden because I care zero about him. I care zero about Jaden. But the fact of the matter, let's this freedom, this comedic form. Let us not cramp it. You know, say Quiet Perry run him just but Quiet Perry want to know why was I blessed like this? It's a shock, Quiet Perry. You think Jaden never knows him come interrupt the whole hour. Remember saying everybody are wine on the net and sell themselves short in order to be recognized. What Jaden do is friendship. We're gonna do a nastiness. And it's just the truth. And that goes to show Jaden, a whole heap of people laughing at your vids, leave nice comment, but them want to see you fall. Just so you know.